So welcome to day one of my January garden challenge. This is going to be a very much bite-sized program, if you like. So today's video, I'm going to tackle some grasses that I haven't yet cut back. I've got a beautiful peony with the old dead wood still on the plant, so that needs to be pruned back. And I'm just going to take a section of this small garden here behind me, and I'm just going to hoe through, get the weeds out. So the only job ready in this corner come spring will just be to unwrap my bananas. So without further ado, let's get into this day one video.
So this beautiful red peony can be cut back anytime once it's finished at the end of the year. I tend to leave it till spring, but with it being up close next to my banana that's wrapped up, I'm going to take the risk with already seeing the new leaf nodes for the year and chop them off now.
It's quite hard to make out here as well, but I've got some perennial lobelia which I've just taken the old flower spike off. So I've just got to be careful when I'm weeding just to leave this in. And then this grass is looking a little bit worse for wear. So these can have a really good chop back. You can either use a pair of scissors, a pair of shears. As you can see, you've got a lot of new growth coming from the base here. So I'm going to take that off and let that regenerate as well. Tough as old boots.
Now, I've been looking at this job for absolutely ages, and it's one that I actually missed with my mower and strimmer due to that grass actually and a dahlia overhanging. So I needed to just chop back the grass and make it look a little bit tidier. Such a small job, but it makes such a big difference when it's finished.
That's something I've been looking at for ages, thinking I need to do that. So that's a really good job done. I'm going to go ahead, going to take pretty much, there's not too much weed in there, but take out the little strands of grass, take out the excess leaves. I've obviously got my banana leaves just dropped in there to rot down. They will be staying in, but everything else is coming out, and that's tidied up, ready for spring really, really well.
Now on to the slightly more boring jobs, but I need to get these small weeds out. I'm just going to work my way around the bed, take my time, get as much of that root out as I possibly can, and it will look so much better for having that clean, tidy up.
And I'm just going to finish this corner off with a little bit, I can't find my hoe, which is something I need to get better at this year, putting things away. I'm just going to use my spade, just going to chop it up a little bit, look like I've hoed through it. The weeds are out now, so it's just a case of presentation. And then this part of the garden is completely done, ready for spring. There we have it, day one complete. I hope you liked this challenge, and I hope you're going to join me along in January for this series. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. But until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden.